Hey guys, today I've created a new video inspired from the Leela look of Deepika Padukone. However, today I've used real-time audio in this video. This is basically an experiment which went wrong, so therefore I will advise you to watch the video at 2x speed. So thank you and keep watching. So first take the primer and apply on the breakouts or any place of unevenness on your skin from L'Oreal. Like thin brows, you need to draw the shape, but for me I'm just filling it out. So normally this pomade won't be enough for me to create this look. I need something dramatic, so I would be using the flat brush and eyeshadow too. So this is the flat brush I'm going to use, and this is the Beauty Glazed palette. I'm taking some black and brown together, and then once I apply the foundation you won't be able to see it. So I'm done with the primer. Brows are done. But my eyelids, so I'm starting with the eyelid. First I'm taking a blending brush. I'm using a color close to this. I hope you all can see. So first I'm going to blend it all over my crease. Rustic vibe actually. It's neither pink nor brown, a shade between them, and it's really good for natural makeup. Then I'm using this Shreliasta concealer and I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids. So I'm only showing you on my right eye. It will probably take a lot of time to shoot on both eyes. Therefore I'm just showing everything on one side. Okay, so there is some excess product. I have to apply it here. So after you are done, you need to set this concealer with loose powder. I'm using the Fit Me loose powder. My shade is medium. So this is a bit of excess. Don't take excess powder, or else you will look horrible. Just a little bit to set the concealer. So I covered it up, and then I'm going to use this Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This is the waterproof mascara from L'Oreal Paris, and I really love it. For Garba you can really wear it because this is long lasting, and even if you are sweating it won't come off. So now for this makeover, you can use eyeliner, but I prefer not to. If I'm directly going with my black color with the concealer for my under eyes, and this is the Bobbi Brown foundation. My shade is Warm Honey. So let's get started with the blush and all. As you guys know, I use this walnut pink shade from Maybelline for my blush. This was not a heart even. Anyway, I'm just gonna blend it out. How pretty the color is. So in this look, we're more going to use blush and contour powder rather than highlight. I'm using this palette for the contouring. I'm gonna mix everything up. There should not be any distinction. This is not a very glamorous look, kind of a rustic look. So you need to give that vibe. You just can't apply tones of highlighter. I'm not applying any highlight because I don't prefer highlighter for this look. Anyway, I need to do the bindi, which Deepika did. So just wait for it. But this is the final look. So guys, I hope you liked it. I'm not gonna emphasis on this. There should be a small belly. I'm gonna do this with the eyeliner. So I'm gonna make an asterisk mark here, just like Deepika did. The lips. I'm gonna wipe off the lip balm. Anyway, so first this brown color. This is the Walnut Avenue from Maybelline Matte. I'm not applying the lipstick, so don't worry. Then okay, and this is the almond pink Avenue. I'm not applying any of the lipstick. up the lipstick. However, I wanted my lips to have this tint, a brownish pink tint. So I'm done with the makeup. I will try to write some letters in Hindi along this side if it's possible, and then the hair is left. So keep waiting. So I tried to create the authentic look. I don't know how it's looking. So other than the previous look, you can also create a messy bun look. For that you need to tease your hair in the front section. Make sure it's fluffy enough, and then just with your hands tie your bun. Make sure you use a ragtail comb to tease your hair to get the best results.